In this video, we'll learn how to create an itinerary package in digital travel software. So let's move towards the video. Log into your digital travels account. In order to create an itinerary, first we'll have to create a package type. Go to miscellaneous master, click on package type option, click on new. Enter the name of packages that you provide to your customers. For example, general package, pilgrimage package, adventurous package, etc. So we'll create a package as general package. Click on save button. Our package has been created. Now we'll move to itinerary creation. This is an itinerary view where you can check the existing itineraries. You can edit, print, view, email or WhatsApp the existing itineraries to your clients. To create a new itinerary, you have to click on new button. The packages you have created will be shown under the drop down package type. Currently we have only created one package type, that's why it's showing only general package. Enter your package title here. I'm creating a 4 days and 3 nights itinerary of Udaipur. So my package title will be 4 days and 3 nights in Udaipur. You can enter the package theme like adventurous tour, wildlife tour, family tour, group tour, etc. I'll be entering adventure and cultural tour. Next, we can enter the package overview. I'll mention details about the city Udaipur here. You can change your fonts, color, size, style, everything here. Now, we'll upload a picture related to Udaipur as our itinerary overview picture. A picture has been uploaded. We can enter package inclusions here. Click on add option. Now let's enter our day-wise itinerary. Click on the add button near day 1. Enter the heading of day 1. We can also upload an image related to our day 1 itinerary. Click on choose file. Choose the image. Click on upload. You can also choose your image position. I would like to position image at left. Click on OK. Now let's enter the detail of day 2. We have entered 4 days detail in our itinerary. We can also mention package exclusions if there. Enter the payment terms and conditions. Mention cancellation and refund policy. If you want to enter price and supply details too, you can mention those too. And click on save button. Our itinerary has been successfully created. Let's see how it will look. Click on PDF button. Your company's logo will be mentioned at the left. Your company's details will be mentioned at the right. Itinerary title will be mentioned at the top. Our itinerary's overview image is here. Package duration and package theme is also mentioned. This is our package overview. There is a detail about Udaipur city. Package inclusions are being mentioned next. Then there is our 4 days itinerary. Our terms and condition and cancellation and refund policy will be mentioned next. This is how our itinerary will look. We can download it and share it with our clients. This is all about this feature. I hope you like the feature we have added to our software. If you have any query or suggestion, or if you want us to add any other feature in our software, let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to share this video with your fellow travel agents. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.